May the 5th, Cinco de Mayo, 2011. I'm meteorologist Matthew East here on the Weather on the Ones Forecast Center. Beautiful, beautiful conditions on the way this afternoon. After a chilly start here across the region, frost and freeze products had to be issued for the North Carolina mountains and up into the mountains of the Virginias and then back into much of the Tennessee and Ohio river valleys. I'll show you that here in just a moment. But that's going to give way to just some fantastic afternoon conditions. Here are those temperatures. And these are 4 a.m. Eastern Time temperatures. And on a morning like this, a broad map doesn't necessarily tell the story particularly well. There's a number of locations in the Piedmont that are down into the 30s this morning. Almost all the mountains well down into the 30s this morning. And because of that, there's the frost and freeze products. I said Tennessee valleys, really more the northern parts of Tennessee into portions of really all the mountains of North Carolina, most of West Virginia, the mountains of Virginia, and then farther north from there in terms of those frost and freeze products this morning. Very quiet conditions all across the region as a whole. Now you do notice some showers back here when you get into parts of the plain states. That is with our next disturbance that'll get here tomorrow. Not a lot of severe weather chances the next several days, but as we get out toward next week, day 4 and 5 and 6, that's when we'll begin to see the severe weather probabilities ramping up once again back in the plain states. Here's the upper air chart today. The trough that swung on through the area yesterday morning is located over the northeast. Here's the next little disturbance, though, moving in. That's what will get here tomorrow. And here's how we look by the time we get into Friday morning at 8 o'clock in the morning. Pretty potent little disturbance rippling on into the area. Now, there's not a lot of moisture for this to work with, but it looks like the disturbance is strong enough that I will have to continue to mention the chance of a few of those showers and thunderstorms around as our Friday, especially Friday afternoon, unfolds. Now, today, beautiful. Chilly start, but very pleasant this afternoon with Piedmont highs in the upper 60s to around the 70-degree mark. Now, here's tomorrow on the GFS, and it does print out some precipitation as it moves on through the region. The European does much the same, so really no reason not to continue to mention the chance of a few showers and storms. Certainly nothing heavy in terms of rain amounts, but one of those deals that with the cold temperatures aloft, wouldn't be shocked to see a little bit of hail with some of the thunderstorms if they do indeed develop tomorrow. Okay, here we go out to Saturday. Looks like a good-looking Saturday forecast, highs well into the 70s, and then we are going to enter a pretty unsettled pattern. It looks like the deal here is going to be we'll have a frontal boundary draped somewhere close by, pretty cool air to the north of it, a lot of very, very warm air to the south of it, and riding right along that front, there'll be a series of MCSs, or basically complexes of showers and storms, and timing those out in advance is going to be a challenge. It always is. But it looks like we'll see one such disturbance move our way Saturday night into Sunday morning, and then it's going to be a matter of really kind of timing them out on a daily basis next week. This is the GFS for Monday and early Wednesday morning. Really, it's Tuesday night. Let's go to the European. It might be doing a better job with this. There's Monday, and again, you have that front draped right through the region. And riding along it will be those complexes of showers and storms. So what I've done with my forecast package this morning is basically just indicate a chance of some showers and storms on a daily basis next work week. And it will all boil down to timing down those individual disturbances. And it'll be one of those things where you can just watch the radar on a daily basis. There'll be big storms develop up here and then move off toward the southeast. And the exact timing of those disturbances will determine our rain chances. And that's the European model for Tuesday morning. And finally on Wednesday morning, and again, just kind of shows a series of those shower and thunderstorm complexes rolling our way. Kind of an interesting pattern. Those MCS's ridge riding, the big ridge off to just to our south and west, and we're right on the fringes of that, and that's where you get the complexes of showers and storms. All right, that is it for today. Thank you for watching today's edition of the video. Have a great Thursday. Enjoy the great weather, and God bless.